friends, welcome to Flour and Food, an Italian journey. We're near Easter and I want to share this recipe with you. And it's a recipe that these cookies are traditionally made at Easter time, and they're called I Nipitelli. And it's a cookie that has a filling inside of grape jam and almonds. So I thought it would be a cute idea to share this recipe with you. So let's go and start making I Nipitelli. Okay friends, these are the ingredients that we will need to make the dough for I Nipitelli. A kilogram of flour, 200 grams of lard or butter, 125 milliliters of vermouth, 250 grams of sugar, 2 whole eggs and 4 yolks. Baking powder is 24 grams, less than a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. 1, 2, and here are 1 only the yolk. One. Two. Three. And 4. I'm adding the other baking powder. Work it in the dough. Flour on the table. And you start working the dough. Working the dough, work it really slow. Don't add all the flour at once, because sometimes I don't put the whole kilogram. When I see the dough that it's ready, doesn't have to come hard, has to come nice and soft. Put it on the working table. Okay, and the dough is ready. Okay friends, and here we are. These are the ingredients we will need for the filling. Toasted almonds, 500 grams. 250 grams of grape jam, 150 grams of chocolate chips, dark chocolate. Add the chocolate chips, cinnamon. I don't have a measurement of cinnamon. Nutmeg. Grated nutmeg. About a teaspoon. Now I'm going to blend the almonds, but not too thin, okay? I'm gonna put them in a blender. This is how it should be. So when you eat the Niepitelli, nice and crunchy. And we start mixing. Some also add raisins. If you like them, you can add them. Some areas here in Calabria, they also add walnuts. My mom used to do it like this with the grape, jam, almonds, chocolate, and that's the way I also do them. Some add dry figs. And here we have the filling. Now we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna get ready for making the dough, cutting out the form of the cookie and putting in the filling. So let's do that now. going to start putting the first pan in the oven, and I'm going to mix an egg yolk with a bit of milk. Of the milk and the egg yolk. Put it on top of the cookies. We're going to bake these 180 degrees, 15-20 minutes. And friends, here are my cookies, Nipitelli. Okay, friends, a small note I want to make before closing. If you remember when we were doing the recipe, I did not add the whole kilogram of flour. Then as I started working the cookies, I always put a little bit of flour on my working table so not to make the dough stick. And by the end of the recipe, I used 900 grams of flour. Okay, and as for the filling, as I said before in my video, I made it with grape jam and almonds, but you can add walnuts, raisins together, even with the almonds. If you like that, you can do it also. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like my recipe, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you next time.